A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when adversity becomes illumination, the quiet power of righteousness, goodness, and divine surrender. Ladies and gentlemen, across civilizations and centuries, one observation has remained constant. Adversity does not diminish the human spirit. It reveals its architecture. In nature, pressure crystallizes carbon into diamonds. In physiology, stress triggers adaptive intelligence. In the cosmos, collapsing stars ignite new galaxies. Difficulties, when seen through this wider lens, are not intrusions but invitations, moments that uncover deeper capacities within. In such moments, three forces repeatedly demonstrate extraordinary transforming influence: righteousness, goodness, and surrender to the divine order permeating existence. These are not abstract virtues. They are states of internal alignment supported by both science and ancient wisdom, shaping a mind capable of rising above turbulence with clarity. Modern neuroscience reinforces what sages described millennia ago. When the mind acts in alignment with righteousness, understood not as rigidity but as inner coherence, it stabilizes neural circuits linked to clarity and grounded judgment. Ethical alignment lowers cognitive dissonance, reduces stress responses, and allows decisions to flow from steadiness rather than pressure. Ancient traditions described this as dharma, the natural equilibrium that returns the mind to its center even when life moves unpredictably. Goodness, often expressed in small, effortless gestures, activates biochemical pathways associated with emotional resilience. Acts of kindness elevate serotonin and oxytocin, calming the amygdala and expanding attentional bandwidth. This widening of perception helps transform challenges from overwhelming forces into solvable realities. Ancient texts said, goodness purifies the heart. Science now shows it also optimizes the brain. The third force, surrender to the divine, is frequently misunderstood. It is not disengagement. It is a shift from resistance to receptivity. Studies on flow states, mindful attention, and trust-based cognition all reveal the same phenomena. When the mind releases fear-driven control and leans into a larger intelligence, cortisol reduces, intuition heightens, and creative insight increases. Ancient wisdom described this as aligning with the deeper current of life, where guidance rises naturally and effort becomes harmonious rather than strained. Together, righteousness, goodness, and surrender create an inner field where adversity loses its sharp edges. Setbacks become signals, not threats. Delays become refinements, not defeats. The individual does not merely endure challenges, but evolves through them. Life's storms no longer break the spirit, they shape it. What's the way forward? This path does not require dramatic transformation. Subtle, consistent choices cultivate an inner architecture capable of meeting any circumstance. For example, choosing truth and integrity to maintain psychological clarity, practicing small acts of goodness that stabilize emotional chemistry, engaging in silence, reflection, or prayer to strengthen trust in a larger order, allowing uncertainty to open gateways to deeper understanding, viewing adversity as information rather than opposition. Over time, these practices create a mind that responds with maturity, perceives possibilities where others see limitation, and feels inwardly supported even in moments of difficulty. Adversity becomes less a burden and more a refining force, deepening wisdom, resilience, and grace. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when righteousness steadies action, goodness nourishes the heart, and surrender opens the inner gates, adversity transforms into illumination. Life begins to feel like a profound orchestration in which every challenge carries insight, every pause holds purpose, and every step is guided by an intelligence beyond the visible. In this quiet harmony of clarity, compassion, and trust, the human spirit discovers a strength untouched by circumstances. As Lord Krishna affirms in the revered Bhagavad Gita, those who stand in truth, offer goodness and surrender with a pure heart are carried by the divine through every difficulty, illuminated from within and strengthened beyond measure. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.